Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that many of you have been asking about. We'll show you how to change the white hyperlink color in night mode using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. So, let's dive right in. The Turn Off the Lights browser extension is a powerful tool that enhances your viewing experience by dimming the background of any web page and focusing your attention on the content you want to see. With the night mode feature, you can make your browsing experience even more comfortable in low-light environments. To change the white hyperlink color in night mode, follow these simple steps. Click twice on the gray lamp, and that will open the mini settings panel. Then, in the top navigation bar, click on the night mode icon. Now, in this tab, enable the night mode switch so that you can activate or disable the dark theme on this page. Or enable the night mode on this button. Now, to change the white hyperlink color, go to the hyperlink box and scroll horizontally to the right. You will see a new color circle. With a single click, it will open the color picker where you can choose the color you want to see. And this applies to all the night mode boxes here on the mini settings panel. If you want to revert to the default website theme, simply click on the night switch. And that's how you change the white hyperlink color in night mode using the Turn Off the Lights browser extension. Now you can enjoy a personalized browsing experience that matches your style and preferences. Remember, the Turn Off the Lights extension offers many other customization options and features that can further enhance your browsing experience. So, feel free to explore and experiment with its settings to create a truly immersive environment. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tricks. And as always, leave your comments and questions down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.